Automotive engine oils are complex blends of chemical products that can ensure the optimum performance from your vehicle's engine. They help reduce emissions, improve fuel economy, and deliver the performance that vehicle owners expect and vehicle manufacturers demand. In this short video, we'll be looking at the identification and selection of the correct raw materials that can support the performance claims made. Just as it is important for the technology to perform as expected in its application, equally important is the use of the right raw materials that are matched to the technology to support the way the additive pack works in the engine. As we said earlier, the three main roles of the lubricant are to support the vehicle manufacturer's demands through meeting their requirements. At the development stage, care must be taken with the choice of base oils and viscosity improver or modifier that are matched to the technology.
So the components used to make a finished lubricant are obviously base oil, additives, viscosity improver or modifier, and that's this mix of these components which give you the ability to blend the right product.
Both base oils and viscosity modifiers have to be matched to the additive pack or technology. It is equally important that base oils are approved for use in the final formulation. Just as technology providers invest a great deal of resources testing their additives, so base oil companies invest a great deal of resources to make sure they support the technology and are approved for use. There are a number of different base oil groups from Group 1 and 2, which are classed as mineral oil based, to Group 3, 4 and above, which are synthetics. It is important to note that base oils from different manufacturers within a given group may perform differently, and that there are strict rules in place within the ATIEL Code of Practice which govern the interchange of base oils.
The use of the appropriate raw material as base oil, as add pack, as viscosity improver or modifier, as mentioned and titled in the candidate pack, are crucial in order to meet the right product performance.
If you are in doubt as to the choice and selection of different base stocks, always ask your technology provider for their recommendations. Storage of raw materials is very important. Some additives need to be heated in storage to maintain their optimum characteristics. Some need to be cold stored. Your technology provider can inform you if any special storage instructions apply. The Code of Practices of ATIEL, ATC and API 1509 are flexible enough to allow for program extension or modifications in the formulation development stage. This means that, subject to certain stringent conditions, changes under base oil interchange, viscosity grade read across and viscosity modifier interchange can be made while still maintaining the performance characteristics of the finished lubricant. Remember, don't modify the formulations of raw materials without reference to your technology provider, who can inform you of the changes that can be made without affecting the performance characteristics of the finished lubricant and impacting the ACEA claims that can be made on this lubricant.